everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Telegram wallet to bank account. So first thing you need to do is open up your Telegram wallet. If you don't know how to open it, simply click on this three dot menu and from here select this wallet option and then it will open your Telegram wallet. So from here to transfer your money to bank account, you have two options. First option is to go to this P2P market, and once you do that, simply click on this shell button, shell, and once you do that, it will list you many trades that you can use to transfer this cryptocurrency to your bank transfer, such as first one. If you click on this shell button, you can see that in payment methods you can add bank transfer and other available method. So if I transfer bank transfer, it will ask me my card number, phone number and account number. So simply enter all the details and click on this add payment method. And there are many trades that offer bank transfer, so you can use any of them. And the second method you can use is that you can transfer your cryptocurrencies to another crypto exchange like Bybit or Binance, and from there you can transfer these cryptocurrencies to your bank account. So that's how you can transfer your money from Telegram wallets to bank account. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.